I think that is the best part, is that teachers get to spend time having fun together and wondering together. And then that's just bleeding over into our families and them getting to explore.
How do you do science with lemonade?
I wonder!
We were just Googling lab ideas. Lemons kept coming up, and then we decided to, life gives you lemons, let's make some lemonade. So out of that comes a silly idea for a lemonade stand and some different lemonade videos.
All right, JTSD scientists, we're making slime this week.
The whole point of this is just to show students that science is everywhere, and that anytime we're out and exploring in nature or in our house, in our kitchen, wherever, that you should be wondering and questioning and trying new things. And then the goal through that would be that families come together and wonder together. When we heard about our stay-at-home order and we knew that we wanted to be back at school, we started to think, how do we keep science alive for our families? And so we started making a series of videos twice a week instead of our normal monthly video. And the idea was that everything would be found in your house, which proved to be very difficult. And then that idea grew and teachers started sending me videos. And so it just kind of grew into this thing where our school has come together outside of school to produce these videos for our families so they can do things at home. The end goal of that would be that they send us footage of things they've explored and tried, and so we can showcase them as future scientists as well. It's so heartwarming when we see that a kiddo has taken some silly video we've made and then they've done something even better. And so now we actually have a backlog of videos where kids have shown us science that we're producing and putting out on our Instagram of them teaching us something. We have a YouTube channel where you can follow along, or if you subscribe to JTSD Nixa on Instagram, we post all of our new videos there.